The secret to acing your driving test and staying safe on the road is road signs. And if you master these 60 must-know U.S. road signs, passing is guaranteed. Whether you're preparing for your driving test or just brushing up on your road sign knowledge, this video has everything you need. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment. Let's dive in. What is this sign? A. Speed limit. B. Minimum speed limit. That's correct. This is the minimum speed limit sign. Identify this traffic sign. A. No turn on red. B. No turns. Excellent. This is the no turn on red sign. What traffic sign is this? A. Roundabout ahead. B. Mini roundabout. That's right. This is the roundabout ahead sign. What is this sign? A. No turns. B. No U-turn. Impressive. This is the no U-turn sign. Which sign is this? A. Traffic photo enforced. B. Signal ahead. Good thinking. This is the signal ahead sign. What is this road sign? A. Stop sign. B. Stop sign ahead. Well done. This is the stop sign. What is this road sign? A. Winding road. B. Reverse curve. Well done. This is the winding road sign. Name this traffic sign. A. No pedestrians. B. End of a pedestrian zone. Brilliant. This is the no pedestrians sign. Name this traffic sign. A. Yield ahead. B. Yield sign. You got it. This is the yield sign. What is this sign? A. Speed limit. B. Speed reduction ahead. Nicely done. This is the speed limit sign. What is this road sign? A. No left turn. B. No left turn on red. Good observation. This is the no left turn sign. Which traffic sign is this? A. Railroad crossing crossbuck. B. Railroad crossing. Good thinking. This is the railroad crossing sign. Which traffic sign is this? A. Stop ahead. B. Signal ahead. Good thinking. This is the stop ahead sign. What is this sign? A. Dead end. B. Do not enter. That's right. This is the do not enter sign. Which road sign is this? A. Wrong way. B. Do not enter. Impressive. This is the wrong way sign. Identify this sign. A. One way. B. Straight through only. Good thinking. This is the one-way sign. Which traffic sign is this? A. Tow-away zone. B. No parking anytime. Excellent. This is the no parking anytime sign. Name this road sign. A. School zone. B. School crossing. Well done. This is the school zone sign. Which road sign is this? A. Bike lane. B. Bicycle crossing. Good observation. This is the bicycle crossing sign. What is this road sign? A. No right turn. B. No right turn on red. That's correct. This is the no right turn sign. Which sign is this? A. Keep right. B. Keep right of obstacles. You got it. This is the keep right sign. Which traffic sign is this? A. Divided highway ends. B. Divided highway begins. That's right. This is the divided highway begins sign. Identify this sign. A. Pedestrian crossing. B. Pedestrians permitted. That's correct. This is the pedestrian crossing sign. Identify this road sign. A. T intersection. B. Y intersection. Nicely done. This is the T intersection sign. What is this sign? A. Keep left of obstacles. B. Keep left. Good observation. This is the keep left sign. What sign is this? A. Pass with care. B. Do not pass. That's right. This is the pass with care sign. Identify this road sign. A. Slower traffic keep right. B. Keep right. Impressive. This is the slower traffic keep right sign. Which sign is this? A. HOV 3 plus only. B. HOV 2 plus only. Good thinking. This is an HOV 2 plus only sign. Which road sign is this? A. Stop here on red. B. Stop ahead. Excellent. This is the stop here on red sign. What is this sign? A. Yield to pedestrians. B. Pedestrian crossing. Well done. This is the yield to pedestrians sign. What is this road sign? A. Sharp curve. B. Right turn only. That's correct. This is the right turn only sign. What sign is this? A. Y intersection. B. T intersection. Brilliant! This is the Y intersection sign. Name this traffic sign. A. Weight limit. B. Weighbridge. You got it. This is the weight limit sign. Guess this road sign. A. Speed bump ahead. B. Speed bump. Impressive. This is the speed bump sign. Identify this traffic sign. A. Chevron alignment. B. Curve ahead. That's correct. This is the chevron alignment sign. What is this sign? A. Truck route. B. National network route. Nicely done. This is the truck route sign. Which sign is this? A. Moose crossing. B. Deer crossing. Nicely done. This is the deer crossing sign. Identify this sign. A. Left turn only. B. Right turn only. Brilliant! This is the left turn only sign. Which sign is this? A. Straight or right turn. B. Straight or left turn. Impressive! This is the straight or left turn sign. What sign is this? A. Yield ahead. B. Yield at roundabout. Excellent! This is the yield ahead sign. Name this road sign. A. Curve ahead. B. Sharp turn. Good thinking. This is the sharp turn sign. What is this sign? A. Two-way left turn only. B. Straighter turn. Excellent! This is the two-way left turn only sign. Name this road sign. A. Dead end. B. Road closed. Well done! This is the road closed sign. Which sign is this? A. Authorized vehicles only. B. End of road. That's correct. This is the authorized vehicles only sign. Which traffic sign is this? A. Tow away zone. B. Emergency parking only. You got it. This is the emergency parking only sign. Identify this road sign. A. Tow away zone. B. No parking anytime. Nicely done. This is the tow away zone sign. What sign is this? A. Bicycle lane ends. B. No bicycles. Good observation. This is the no bicycles sign. What is this traffic sign? A. Turn on red permitted. B. No turn on red. Brilliant! This is the turn on red permitted sign. Identify this road sign. A. No overtaking. B. Do not pass. Brilliant! This is the do not pass sign. What is this traffic sign? A. Exit speed. B. Speed reduction ahead. Well done! This is the speed reduction ahead sign. What road sign is this? A. School crossing. B. Pedestrian crossing. You got it! This is the school crossing sign. Identify this road sign. A. Side road. B. Crossroad. Good observation. This is the crossroad sign. What is this traffic sign? A. Side road. B. Merge sign. That's right. This is the side road sign. Which sign is this? A. Sharp turn. B. Curve ahead. Impressive! This is the curve ahead sign. Which sign is this? A. Reverse curve. B. Winding road. Excellent! This is the reverse curve sign. What is this sign? A. Have 2 plus only. B. Fasten seat belt. That's right. This is the fasten seat belt sign. Which sign is this? A. Merging traffic. B. Added lane. You got it! This is the merging traffic sign. Which sign is this? A. Merge sign. B. Added lane. Nicely done! This is the added lane sign. Name this road sign. A. Lane ends. B. Added lane. Good observation. This is the lane ends sign. Identify this road sign. A. Divided highway ends. B. Divided highway begins. Brilliant! This is the divided highway end sign.